Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinants. Exercise 1.4 Question number 1. Solve the following system of linear equation by Grammar's rule. பின்வரும் நேரிய சமன்பாடுகளின் தொகுப்பை கிராமரின் விதிப்படி தீர்க்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. First we should know Grammar's rule. So grammar rule becomes, so given equation are 3 unknowns இருக்கு. So first I'm going to find x. Formula becomes del x by delta, then y becomes del y by delta, then z becomes del z by delta. So I'm going to write the given equation 3x plus 3y minus z is equal to 11. Second equation becomes 2x minus y plus 2z which is equal to 9. Then third equation becomes 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 25. So this equation can be written as in the form of matrix. First one, coefficient of x becomes 3, 2, 4. Then coefficient of y becomes 3 minus 1 plus 3. Coefficient of z becomes minus 1 plus 2 plus 2. Then coefficient matrix xyz which is equal to constant value becomes constant matrix. 11, 9, 25 is the constant matrix. So here I am going to give the name. This is delta matrix. This is constant matrix. So first I am going to write delta matrix. Delta means I am going to find determinant of the delta matrix. So delta becomes determinant of 3, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2, 4, 3, 2. First I am going to give the symbol plus, minus, plus. So which is equal to, so first row மட்டும் expand பண்ணிக்கலாம். So 3 times of the determinant cofactor becomes, first row first column will be eliminated, then remaining entries minus 1, 2, 3, 2, then minus of 3 times of, then first row second column will be eliminated. So remaining entries 2, 4, here 2, 2, then minus 1 of the determinant becomes first row, then last column will be eliminated. So remaining entries 2 minus 1, 4, 3 here, which is equal to 3 times of determinant 2 by 2 minor matrix. So first diagonal minus second diagonal formation கொடுக்க போறோம். So minus 1 into 2 becomes minus 2, minus 3 2s are 6, then minus 3 of first diagonal becomes 4, minus second diagonal becomes 4 2s are 8, then minus 1 of first diagonal becomes 2 3s are 6, minus 1 into 4 becomes minus 4, here comes plus 4, which is equal to 3 times of minus 2 minus 6 becomes minus 8, here minus 3 of 4 minus 8 becomes minus 4, minus 1 of 6 plus 4 becomes 10, which is equal to 3 into minus 8 becomes minus 24, here minus minus positive, 3 4s are 12, here minus 10, which is equal to minus values I am going to add. Minus 24 minus 10 becomes minus 34, here plus 12, which is equal to minus 34 plus 12 becomes minus 22 is the answer for delta. Del x becomes, so coefficient of x can be changed into constant matrix 11, 9, 25. Then coefficient of y becomes 3, minus 1, 3. Then coefficient of z becomes minus 1, 2, 2, which is equal to, here I am going to give the symbol plus, minus, plus. So first I am going to choose 11. So 11 create determinant rows and columns will be eliminated. So remaining entries minus 1, 2, 3, 2, then minus 3 of, so first row will be eliminated, second column will be eliminated. So remaining entries 9, 25, here 2, 2, then minus 1 kuria rows and columns will be eliminated, then remaining 9 minus 1, then 25, 3, then which is equal to So 11 times of first diagonal minus second diagonal. First diagonal becomes minus 2 minus second diagonal 2 3s are 6 minus 3 of first diagonal becomes 9 2s are 18 minus second diagonal becomes 2 into 25 becomes 50 minus 1 of first diagonal becomes 9 into 3 becomes 27 minus 1 into 25 becomes minus 25. Here comes plus 25. So which is equal to 11 times of minus 2 minus 6 becomes minus 8. Then minus 3 of 32 minus 32 minus 1 of 27 plus 25 becomes 52 here, which is equal to 11 into minus 8 becomes minus 88 minus into minus plus 3 into 32 becomes 96 minus 52. So which is equal to 96 minus 88 minus 52 becomes minus 140. So here 96 minus 140 becomes minus 44 is the del x value. So next I am going to find del y. Del y becomes, so determinant of, so coefficient of x becomes 3 2 4. So inga del y ketiruknala, so I am going to change y value becomes constant matrix value. So 11 9 25. Then coefficient of z becomes minus 1 2 2. So first I am going to give the symbol plus minus plus, which is equal to, so first row மட்டும் expand பண்ண போறேன். So 3 times of the determinant becomes rows and columns will be eliminated. So remaining entries 9 2 25 2. Then minus 11 of the rows and columns will be eliminated. So 2 4. Then 2 2. Then minus 1 of rows and last column will be eliminated. So remaining 2 9 4 25. So which is equal to 3 times of first diagonal minus second diagonal. So first diagonal becomes 18 minus second diagonal becomes 2 into 25 becomes 50 minus 11 of 2 2s are 4 minus 2 8 4s are 8. Then minus 1 of first diagonal becomes 50 minus second diagonal becomes 36, which is equal to 3 times of 18 minus 50 becomes minus 32 minus 11 of 4 minus 8 becomes minus 4. Then minus 1 of 50 minus 36 becomes plus 14. So which is equal to 3 into minus 32 becomes minus 96 minus minus positive. So 11 4s are 44. Then minus 1 into 14 becomes 14, which is equal to 44 minus 96 minus 14 becomes minus 110. So here which is equal to 44 minus 110 becomes minus 66 is the del y value. Then next I am going to find del z. Del z becomes determinant of, so coefficient of x becomes 3 to 4. Then coefficient of y becomes 3 minus 1 3. Then here z கொடுத்திருக்கனால coefficient of z can be written as the constant matrix 11 9 25. So here I am going to give the symbol plus minus plus, which is equal to first row மட்டும் expand பண்ண போறோம். So here 3 times of determinant becomes rows and columns eliminator. Then minus 1 9 3 25. Then minus 3 of the rows and second column will be eliminated. Then remaining 2 4. Then 9 25. Then plus 11 of the first row and the last column will be eliminated. Then remaining entries 2 minus 1 4 3, which is equal to 3 times of first diagonal minus second diagonal. First diagonal becomes minus 25 minus second diagonal becomes 3 9s are 27 minus 3 times of first diagonal becomes 2 into 25 becomes 50 minus second diagonal becomes 9 4s are 36 plus 11 of first diagonal becomes 2 3s are 6 minus 1 into 4 becomes minus 4. Here comes plus 4, which is equal to 3 times of minus 25 minus 27 becomes minus of 52. Then minus 3 of 50 minus 36 becomes plus 14. Then plus 11 of 6 plus 4 becomes 10, which is equal to 3 times of minus 52 becomes minus 156. Plus into minus we get minus 3 into 14 becomes 42. Then plus 11 into 10 becomes 110. So here, which is equal to minus value, I'm going to add this one. So minus 198 plus 110, which is equal to minus of 88. So here del z becomes minus 88. Next, I'm going to substitute Cramer's rule. So here using Cramer rule, so x becomes del x by delta. Here del x becomes minus 44, delta becomes minus 22, which is equal to minus cancel. So 122s are 22, then 222s are 44. Next, y becomes del y by delta, which is equal to minus y becomes minus 66 by minus 22, which is equal to minus cancel. Then 3 times of 22 becomes 66. So here 3. So z becomes del z by delta, which is equal to del z becomes minus 88, delta becomes minus 22, which is equal to minus cancel. So 122s are 22, then 4 times of 22 becomes 88. So 4 is the answer. Therefore the result x comma x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, then z is equal to 4.